Hello students, today we will discuss about the indicators. As you know, the indicators are the compound. They may be acid or base. They are weak organic compounds which change their color. Indicators change their colors in the different medium. Indicators change their color in different medium. I mean to say, in the acidic solution their color is different, in basic solution their color is different. Indicators are of the two type. Some are common acid base indicator and some are universal indicator. Common acid base indicator like the litmus paper. You know that litmus paper is the two types, blue or red. Litmus paper may be blue or may be red. Like that one. Like this is red litmus paper. This is red litmus paper. It is a common acid base indicator. Litmus paper, whether red or blue, it is a common acid base indicator because we can get information about the substance, that whether substance is acid or base only. You can see there is a blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. With the help of litmus paper, we can get information that the substance is either acid or base. But we cannot get information that the acid or base, what is the pH value, what is the pH value of the given acid base, whether it is strong acid or strong base, we cannot get informed by the litmus paper. Only nature of the solution can be predicted with the help of litmus paper. You can see this is a beaker in which a liquid is present, and there is another beaker in which liquid is present, and you have to tell which of these is acid or base. How you have to find out the acidic or basic nature of this liquid, which is acid, which is base, whether it is neutral, whatsoever, and you have to find out you can find its nature with the help of litmus paper. There is a red litmus paper. We have two litmus paper, red litmus paper and a blue litmus paper. We have red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. If we pour the blue litmus paper in this solution, you will see there is no change. There is no change in the blue litmus paper. If we pour the red litmus paper in the solution, in the same solution, if red litmus paper is poured in the solution, observation is red litmus paper turns into blue. It means in this beaker the solution which is kept is basic in nature. It is base, and when the blue litmus paper is put in this, you are seeing the litmus paper becomes an acid base indicator.